Hey guys, what's happening? So many people swear by calendars to maintain their entire life. Their entire life circles around their calendar on their phone and on their laptop and everywhere else. But the fact is that the default Google Calendar app on every Android smartphone, while great, is certainly not as good as all of the different alternatives that are available out there. And that's what this video is all about. Today we're going to talk about some of the best Google Calendar alternatives that you can try on your Android phone. This is Gaurang. You're watching Career Tech. Let's get started. First up, we have Business Calendar 2, and it is meant for those people who have just the most packed days out of everyone in the world. It combines a calendar, schedule planner, and a task organizer, all three within a single app. In terms of looks, it's pretty standard. It also has many customization options to tweak the app's appearance with various themes and colors. Adding an event is simple. You can also view your calendar in specific tabs such as birthdays, anniversaries, and more so that you never miss an important date. Business Calendar 2 syncs easily with Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, Exchange, and pretty much all of the other calendars. The app itself is free on Google Play Store, but you can also go ahead and upgrade to a pro version, which will yield you features like linking contacts, integrated weather forecast, customizable widgets, and more. Next up, we have DigiCal Calendar, and it is one of the most feature-packed calendars that you can find, which is meant for just everyone. It packs a bunch of features, including 7 different main views, which can be day, week, month, agenda, text month, list, and year, and customizable widgets for each of these different views. The app can also suggest a suitable image based on the event keyword, which is pretty neat. It will also present you with a detailed weather forecast of the location added to your event. There is also a pro version of the app which unlocks a calendar subscription to holidays, sports events, TV shows, public company events, and lifestyle. And you can sync with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Microsoft Exchange. Next up, we have TIMETREE, and it's a calendar app that is built to make sharing your calendar with your coworkers, friends, family extremely easy. The UI looks stunning overall. In the feed tab, you can view all of your events from different calendars in one place. Also, events can be color-coded to easily differentiate at a glance. TIMETREE allows you to create separate calendars for personal, work, family, and more. You can add people with whom you'd like to share your calendar, and coordinating with everyone in the group becomes extremely easy because this app also offers a built-in chat room. There's also the shared note feature, which makes it easy to plan events, organize to-do lists, and create notes. Next up is aCALENDAR, and it provides one of the best UI experiences that you will get on any calendar app. It requires you to just swipe laterally to access 5 different main views. It also offers full screen widgets for day, week, agenda, and month views. Adding events is also very simple. You can also set a different time zone and add attachments to it. The app lets you synchronize photos and birthdays from contact lists or social networks to remind you of a special date. The interface is extremely easy to use. There is also support for gestures and shortcuts. For instance, you can move to a specific tab of your choice with a 3-finger tap. You can use volume buttons to scroll up and down on the calendar. However, the free version misses some key features such as agenda view, actionable notifications, and inclusion of public holidays. But if the UI choices and working of the app are very much in line with the way you work, well, you could always upgrade to the paid version. And lastly, we have ANY.DO. While it's not the typical calendar app, it's more of a to-do app, but the fact is that it manages to merge a calendar and a to-do list very easily, making it a much better experience and a simpler experience for everyone. With ANY.DO, you can manage your reminders, schedules, and tasks in one single place. You will find a bunch of features like location-based reminders and sync support for all major calendar apps. ANY.DO ends up helping you to stay on top of your goals by showing you a preview of your agenda and beginning of the day. This also has the best-known third-party integration. With its WhatsApp integration, you can get reminders in the chat app itself. Besides, it supports integration of big names like Trello, Evernote, Asana, amongst others. And even though this is a great app, the fact is that it's paid. So if you like the app enough, you can just go ahead, get the trial version, try it out for yourself, and if it works for you the best, go ahead and subscribe to it. And well, that's pretty much it. The download links to all of these apps can be found in the description box. And if you like the video, like it. If you love the video, then press the subscribe button. And beside that, followed by that, you'll get a bell icon. The YouTube UI is changing. Press that, you'll get notifications for all our videos from now on. This has been Gaurang, and I'll see you in the next one.